Chainsaw! 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 この人好きじゃない。
Hey, Denji. Long time no see.
How do you know my name?
Oh, that hurts. We've met. You remember when you had all those assassins after you?
Never happened.
Trust me, it did. But let's not stand around chatting out here. Why don't we catch up in that cafe there?
I'm broke.
My treat.
I'll have an ice cream and orange juice. Will you get me a whole cake?
Plus an iced coffee.
And spaghetti.
Really, though, what a coincidence. I can't believe I just bumped into you while walking down the street.
Ain't that my school's uniform?
Yeah, I guess we both go to the same school. Crazy coincidence.
Are you stalking me?
When you put it that way, you aren't exactly wrong. I belong to an organization that's tasked me with keeping an eye on you. Aha. It's not an evil organization like in some manga. Our goal is simply to ensure that you live a peaceful life.
Hey, can I order this,
This pudding, too? Excuse me, one clam caramel custard pudding?
Creme caramel. Got it. Caramel.
My point is, I'll be in trouble if the public finds out that you're a chainsaw man.
What's gonna happen if I'm found out?
Here you are. One whole shortcake.
If your secret identity is exposed, I won't let you eat this cake. I won't let you have the ice cream, orange juice, spaghetti, or pudding you ordered either.
Say what? Give me those! Ugh.
Read Chainsaw Man.